सर
जी बोलिए बोलिए।
मैंने सुना आपने वो 100 किलोमीटर्स की हेल रेस भागी अभी रिसेंटली।
जी,
कितना टाइम लगा आपको भागने में?
it took me 15 hours 8 minutes to complete the race.
What would you say was the hardest point in the race for you?
After 30 kilometers, when I was cramping and I had to carry on for 70 kilometers more, so that was the hardest part. And also the weather.
Was it too hot and too cold?
It was extreme heat with extreme cold, so that was challenging as well.
What was your biggest learning in these 15 hours?
Biggest learning would be that we think that we can give up easily at times, but it's just in our mind कि हम बहुत बार सोचते हैं कि हम आसानी से गिव अप कर देते हैं, आसानी से छोड़ देते हैं चीज़ें, but that's not the thing. If we put our mind to something, we can do it.
अच्छा, what do you wish you would have done differently before the race?
I think fueling strategy should be much better. मैं प्रिपेयर नहीं किया था फ्यूलिंग के लिए. 10 किलोमीटर काफ़ी लंबा टाइम रहता है एक एड स्टेशन आने के लिए, सो फ्यूलिंग शुड बी बेटर. ऑल्सो इन जनरल द रेस स्ट्रैटेजी वो काफ़ी फक थी, तो ये दोनों चीज़ें नेक्स्ट टाइम इम्प्रूव करेंगे.
पोस्ट रेस आपका what was the first thing you did post race?
आई वॉज क्राइंग. बहुत सारे इमोशन रहते हैं फिनिश लाइन पे पहुँचते पहुँचते. काफ़ी लंबा जर्नी रहा है. एक्सीडेंट के बाद वो 3 महीना जब एक रेस नहीं हो पाई, तो उसका जो प्रिपरेशन था, देन कमिंग इन टू दिस बहुत सारे डाउट्स थे, बट
You pushed
all
through.
that summed up together in the last few kilometers. So I was
Now
crying.
that you're sitting with your feet in the water, what part of your body hurt the most after the race?
I think it was not the feet that was hurting after the race, but it was my I don't know. Nothing was hurting. I felt free after the race.
Wow, that's such a beautiful way of putting it.
मतलब एक फ्रीडम टाइप का होता ना कि यू लेट गो ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स.
What would your advice be to anyone who's thinking of either starting running or doing this race in particular?
जस्ट स्टार्ट रनिंग. कभी सोचा नहीं था, लाइक एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द ईयर व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड रनिंग, तब सोचा नहीं था कि 1 साल बाद 100 किलोमीटर भी भागता हुआ मिलूंगा मैं. बट just start and see where life takes you, where body takes you, and enjoy the process.
What has running taught you? Your biggest lesson from running itself?
I think the mindset has changed a lot after I started running.
Has it made you more disciplined?
More than discipline, it's about spending time with myself a lot more. And like I've become more calm in terms of I've accepted myself as the way I am, and I know I have got things that can make me push my limits and go to the extreme. So yeah, बहुत कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है when you are alone on this journey. And I've made some very good friends जिसके बिना ये नहीं हो पाता. My 4 friends with whom I crossed the finish line, Amey bhai, Vaibhav bhai, Devik bhai, and me.
That's so nice. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.